Yo, what's up? So today I got a couple things that I want to talk about regarding this this right here. So I've been getting a couple, I guess you could say, requests on like my settings and how I use that GIF in specifically, because I do use it quite often, and I don't know. I shouldn't probably like stop using it, but I do use it a lot in a lot of my edits. It's kind of not signature, but yeah. But today I'm going over a couple of things that I've learned over the years and that I want to update. And this tutorial right here is basically like an update beginner 2K tutorial or whatever. Part two, because in my first one I did go over quite a few things. Like, I can't remember, but I did go over like the basics of what you should know how to do in 2K editing. If you, not even just 2K editing, just like this style of editing, like the freshman and the hue change and the color type style, you know, because in 2K there are quite a few different styles of editing. But yeah, to get on to the point, this is basically my settings when it comes to editing, and I edit in widescreen, because not only is it covering more of the, it's not in standard 16:9 ratio, but this is, if you like play this video on an iPhone or you have a widescreen, it's gonna fill up the sides of the screen and not just have some black bars on the side of your screen. And yeah, that's basically a widescreen. FPS, I usually edit in either 24 or 23 or 15 FPS. And FPS is of your choosing. But to get on to the point, this effect is really simple, really. I don't even know why I should have to like explain this, but I guess I do. So I'm gonna just do this right quick. I'm gonna just do a regular old pan crop keyframe bullshit of Steezo clip. This nigga really is a demon for real. Just doing that to niggas. Alright, so it's a pan crop. Hopefully y'all know how to do that. So there's that. And how to do the loop, the GIF, you literally just put it on top of the clip, you fit it to the screen size, so hold Control Alt F, and literally this is all you have to do. You can either go to blending mode and click hue, and you can do that, or you can do it here, whichever is your preference. I use hue because it looks better, and you just make it bigger so it's not like all, you know, small and looking funny, so you can make it bigger. And as you can see, it's not long enough, so what we're gonna do here is right click on the GIF file itself in the project file, go to interpret footage, main, and then go down the bottom right here and loop it like 20 times, I guess. And then, yep. And yeah, this is literally all I do. But if you want to make it like, you can slow it down like 250 frames, I guess, and then put the frame blending on it. What I just did, I put put the frame pixel motion blending on it, because that's the best one in my opinion. And now it's like a bit slower, and if you want, you can put a color correction over it as well. I don't do color correction in the same, like, alright, this is what I would usually do. So say this is like the complete clip. Say I'm done with the mixtape and I hit Control A and I pre-comp it and name it like main edits, just to be organized. This is what I usually do. So now you have like a pre-comp with all the main edits, and then you can open up, you can right click like over here, hit new, and adjustment layer. So now this is going to be the adjustment layer for like the color correction and everything. So if you have Magic Bullet looks, definitely look into getting that. If you don't have it, I don't have, just look up on YouTube like Magic Bullet looks crack free or whatever, bro. Like, just look that up. That's how I got my shit. So once you do that, or once you get it, you can just, they have a bunch of already built-in presets that you can use, and or you can get some custom ones. You can make your custom ones. I have a bunch of Scout color correction presets, but I like to use the pre-built ones because these look pretty cool. So I'm gonna use this one looks pretty cool, I guess. I'm gonna use that one. And yeah, bro, I mean, it's literally, there is all to it, to be honest. And put it in full so you can see it. You can do a bunch of different things with it. This is just really the basic of what you can do with like blending options. But yeah. One thing I forgot to mention in the video that I realized when I was editing this is to actually like add some hue and saturation to the overlay and the clip itself to like add more color effect to it, you know, because if you do that, here's an example. Really, you can hit U on the keyboard to bring up the keyframes you used, and let's just go like say 5 seconds into the clip, and then make it go around this entire circle one time. If you put 1 right here, it's basically going to go around this one time, as you can see. Yes. So yeah, do that. You can hit F9 on the keyboard, and now you can see, oh fuck, now you can see like the entire GIF itself is changing colors. Yep. And this doesn't apply to just this GIF only. You can do this with any GIF. So it's not even a GIF, just any overlay. So let me go grab an overlay right quick. Just grab any random one. So this is a CRT overlay. Let me hit hue, and yeah, so it's doing the same thing with the CRT overlay. So yeah, that just lets you know like the almost infinite possibilities with overlays you can do with this. There's almost infinite possibilities. So yeah, do what you want with this information. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and peace out.